I'm going to have both 12 and 110 power in this, and so here's kind of all the electrical, and it's all leading to this general area right here. That's going to be my electrical center. And as I ran the wires, of course I labeled them so that it's less confusing when I go to wire everything up. I used just a lot of Romex for both the 12 and the 110 because I found some at a garage sale at a really cheap price, and so why not just use that. And you can see it run up through the walls there. I've got one going to the outside so that if I get some solar units, then I can just plug that in and it's already wired for it. This line is going to be a couple 12 volts over the couch area, and then this line is going to be over the kitchen area, and that goes right outside to where, I don't know if you can see that wire, to where a porch light will be. And then I've got a 12 volt and a 110 coming out here, and this is going to be kind of a kitchen counter area. Of course, that 2x2 area that's not insulated is going to be a window. I'll cut that out. And then I've got a 12 or a 110 here, and then a couple 12 volts here. The 12 volts won't come through the box like the 110 outlet will. And that one actually runs down underneath the trailer and then comes back up, and that's some outdoor rated Romex. And so what I don't have in place yet is the battery wires and the wires that will be used for the inverter. I'll put those in a little bit later, and they will go right through the hole, right at a hole in the floor, right down here, out to the batteries. And I might have the batteries stored inside, depending on the type of batteries I get, but I do have a place for the batteries right on the front of the trailer. So that's the update on the electrical. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please post them. I'll do my best to reply. Next, the tiny cabin gets some insulation and an interior back wall. And I'll be posting some videos of my restoration project of a 1968 Roadrunner soon. So stay tuned.